As we will study chapter 2 solution of your chemistry, in which we have learned about the solution that it is of made up of solvent and solute, and also we have learned the type of solution on the basis of metals. There are total nine types of solution on the basis of metal, and on the basis of concentration there are four types of solution. So in the previous class, I told you that we have different methods to measure the concentration of any solution. Among those, I have told you six methods, among which we have to study all the six methods today with the help of numericals. Okay, so before starting that, I would like to inform you something, that in solution we denote the solute by capital A letter, and we denote the solvent by capital B. Okay, like we have to calculate the moles of solute, so we write it like Na. We have to calculate the moles of solvent, we write it like Nb. Molecular mass Ma, molecular mass of solvent Mb. So we use A and B to represent the solute and solvent of any solution. So our first method is to calculate the how do we mass percentage of the solution, in which it replies that how much percentage of solute does the solution comprise. Okay, so mass percentage is calculated as the mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Okay, means solute का कितना mass है and solution का total कितना mass है. Just suppose like in 100 gram NaCl solution contains 10 gram of NaCl. 10 gram of NaCl. So here the solute is NaCl and the water is solvent. Okay, so here the mass of solute is 10 gram. So we write it like mass of solute is Wa. ठीक है, given weight Wa, and W we use for the mass of the solution. यहाँ पे solvent नहीं है, केवल solution है, तो for the solution we use whole letter capital W into 100. So the mass of the percentage of NaCl will be calculated as 10 divided by 100 into 100. So it will be 10%. It is a unit less quantity. Okay, it is a unit less. Why? Because kg or gram is cancelled by itself. So it will be 10%. So it is easy to calculate. Similarly, volume percentage. So volume percentage is calculated as similar as mass percentage, which is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution. Like 100 ml benzene, 100 ml benzene contains 10 ml of benzene. 10 ml क्या कंटेन करता है? बेंजीन. क्या 100 ml of benzene solution, just write it like 100 ml of benzene solution contains 10 ml of benzene, and remaining 90 ml is water. So the volume will be calculated as where benzene is a solute and water is a solvent. So benzene is denoted by Va. So Va upon V into 100, and it is also a unit less quantity. Answer will be 10%. Now we have to learn mass by volume percentage. Okay, so our third is our mass by volume percentage. Our third unit is to measure mass by volume percentage. Okay, it is volume. So here it will the mass of the solute, and here it will be the volume of the solution. Okay, volume of solution. What is the difference here? The difference is here in the mass percentage we have the mass of solute and the mass of the solution. It means the unit is same, gram or kg. In the volume percentage we calculated using the ml or liter. It means we have to simply use the volume. But in mass by volume, मास ऑफ द सोल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, जैसे हम लोग सॉल्ट पानी में मिलाते हैं या शुगर पानी में मिलाते हैं, तो शुगर इज इन वी कैलकुलेट द शुगर इन kg or gram, but we take the water in ml or liter. So here it will be like 100 gram of NaCl solution which contains 10 gram of NaCl. So it will be the 100 ml of solution, like 100 ml. Here it will be volume of solution which contains 10 ग्राम ऑफ NaCl। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेट करना रहेगा। Okay, so it is easy for all of you. Now our fourth point is molarity, which is very important. Fourth point is molarity. So in molarity, we have to, what is the definition of molarity? Molarity definition is number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute per liter of solution, per liter of the solution. Molarity is a very important topic for all of you. Its definition is number of moles of solute per liter of the solution, which is written as number of moles or moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. Okay, this is the definition we learned. But how we used to write molarity, or how we used to represent it symbolic by using symbols, we have to write that. So for that, just remember, molarity is denoted by capital M. Okay, and capital number of moles of solute is represented by Na, because I have told that A is used to represent for the solute, and volume of solution in liter. Okay, अब moles is calculated as given mass upon molecular mass, given mass divided by molecular mass. So given mass मतलब WA, and molecular mass of the solute is equal to Ma. So writing it here, WA upon Ma into volume in liter. अब जरूरी नहीं है कि it is not necessary that a given the volume of the solution given you in the numerical will always be in the liter. It might also be in ml. So if the volume is given in ml, so you have to multiply the numerator by 1000 to solve it. वॉल्यूम इन ml. यदि ml में दिया जा रहा है तो आपको 1000 से न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करवाना है, एंड इफ द वॉल्यूम इज गिवन इन लीटर देन यू हैव टू डायरेक्टली सॉल्व इट. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट नोट इट, and we are going to solve a numerical from your NCERT book, textbook. The question I'm going to read, and all of you must keep your NCERT book with you while solving the numerical. The question here, it is saying that calculate the molarity of a solution containing 5 gram of NaOH in 450 ml solution. Okay, question here, what it is saying, you have 5 gram of NaOH. ठीक है, it means the given weight WA आपको दिया गया है 5 ग्राम. ठीक है, molecular mass of NaOH आपको कैलकुलेट करना रहेगा. सो molecular mass of NaOH, sodium molecular mass is 23, oxygen is 16, and hydrogen is 1, so it is 40, and volume of the solution is given you 450 ml. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ml में है, तो you have to calculate the molarity. One more point I want to discuss with all of you, the unit of molarity. Unit of molarity is मोल पर लीटर. मोल पर लीटर, तो ये आपको अच्छे से याद रखना है, क्योंकि हर न्यूमेरिकल के बाद आपको यूनिट लिखना बहुत जरूरी होता है. सो कैपिटल M इज कैलकुलेटेड है, पुटिंग योर फॉर्मूला, WA इज गिवन 5 ग्राम, 5, Ma molecular mass of the solute और NaOH is 40, which we have calculated. यहाँ पे हमको वॉल्यूम ml में दिया है, so whenever the volume is given in milliliter, you have to multiply it by the 1000 divided by 450. 10 10 cancelled, 10 10 cancelled, 5 9 ja. So 10 divided by 36. So when you solve it, you will get 0.278 mole per liter. दिस इज द आंसर। ml को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमने 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कराया है, इसलिए यूनिट आपका पर लीटर में रहेगा। सो hope the numerical is very clear to all of you, and you have to solve the remaining questions related to molarity by yourself, and if you have any doubt regarding the numericals you can ask me directly. Now another topic, another point or another way of measuring the concentration of the solution is molality, which is molality, which is like our fifth point is molality. Earlier it was molarity and now it is molality. Molality is definition of molality is number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute per kg of solvent. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिएगा थोड़ा, molarity was the number of moles of solute per liter of the solution, but molality is the number of moles of solute per kg of the solvent. यहाँ सॉल्वेंट का यूज करता है, तो इस पे आपको ज्यादातर ध्यान देना होगा। मोलैरिटी इज डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल m, ठीक है। मोलैरिटी को कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? स्मॉल m इज इक्वल टू मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट, मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट अपॉन मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन केजी, मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन केजी। अभी अभी हमने सॉल्यूट को, मोल्स को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट किया? Na से, एंड मास ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट इन केजी यानी WB, गिवन मास ऑफ, हम लोग सॉल्वेंट को किससे डिनोट करते हैं? B से, सो द गिवन मास ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज WB. सो Na इज इक्वल टू WA अपॉन Ma, वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड इन द मोलैरिटी, अपॉन WB इन kg, ठीक है। Now it is not necessary that in the numerical you are given the mass of solvent is always in kg. It might also be in gram. So if the mass of the solvent is given in the gram, so you have to convert it into kg. How you will convert it into kg? By multiplying by 1000 upon Ma into WB, जब आपको mass of solvent किसमें दिया हो? ग्राम में प्रोवाइड किया हो। So you have to use this formula to calculate it, and the unit of molarity is mole per kg, mole per kg. Okay, now let us solve a numerical related to the molarity. You must note this because it is very important for all of you, and now we are going to solve the numerical. So there is a numerical from your NCERT. It is saying that calculate the molarity of 2.5 gram of benzene of ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene. Okay, so question, it is saying that your solute is ethanoic acid. Solute A is ethanoic acid whose formula is CH3COOH. What is the quantity? It is given 2.5 gram. Okay, 2.5 ग्राम आपको इथेनोइक एसिड दिया गया है, जिसको आपने बेंजीन में डिसॉल्व किया है, यानी आपका सॉल्वेंट जो है B, वो क्या है? बेंजीन है, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल WA you are given 2.5 gram, WB you are given 75 gram mass of benzene. You have to calculate here the molecular mass of solute ethanoic acid. So the molecular mass of solute will be calculated as 2 carbon, so 2 into 12 plus 4 hydrogen, 4 into 1, and 2 oxygen, 16 into 2. So it is 24 plus 4 plus 32, it is 60. Now you have to calculate the molarity. So small m is equal to WA upon Ma into 1000 अपॉन WB, ठीक है। क्यों 1000 से क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किए? क्योंकि मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट जो है वो ग्राम में है, तो ग्राम को आपको केजी में कन्वर्ट करना जरूरी है। सो WA इज इक्वल टू गिवन 2.5 ग्राम, Ma you have calculated 60, it is 1000 upon 75. So after solving you will get the answer 0.0 So the answer you will get is 0.556 mole per kg. ठीक है, तो ये आपका मोलैरिटी निकालने का वे है. So hope this is clear to all of you. So now two more methods are there to which you have to learn. First is mole fraction and second is part per million. So as the video has been known, our sixth will be mole fraction and seventh is part per million. Part per million. So we will learn about these 2 points in our next class in deep, and also we will start our another topic like solubility of solid in liquid, what factors does affect the solubility of solid in liquid, and also the solubility of gas in liquid. And from that we will start our basic solution with very important topics which covers, and you must revise today's topic briefly from your textbook and also solve the numericals from Shiv Lal also, because Shiv Lal very good numericals are given to all of you. And don't forget to mention your name in the comment section. Okay guys, take care.